I would suggest you should stay with your mother. She needs you. She's an old woman. She needs you. You must serve her. There's nothing wrong in it. No. You are inadequate. Not that she's inadequate. You have to serve her. Give her love, affection. She's lonely. She behaves like that because she's lonely. You are inadequate. I won't say to her anything. She never had love. And you are the only child she has. You should love her. Give her more love, more affection. And also what she says about Peter, you should do that. We'll give her consolation. She's going crazy because of that.
The trouble is, Mother, she so dislikes anything to do with so much yoga.
Huh? Let her say. Her saying nothing matters. You see, that's not the thing. That's just an escape. Because you are crazy, that's why she thinks like that.
I know that. I don't blame her.
But you should establish yourself with more patience, with more love and affection. She said, do 100 times Sahaja Yoga. How has she changed her attitude? Because when you went there, you went crazy. And you are quite crazy sometimes, I've seen. First of all, you must be a tidy person, neat person, must look after her. You must take up her responsibility of looking after her. She's an old woman who has had no love all her life. What she wants is love. And as a child, daughter, you must give her love. Whatever she is, you can't leave her alone. If you give her love, I'm sure you can give her. You take it up as a challenge. And give her a bandhan. Everybody can give her a bandhan and put her right. You cannot be helpless like that to run away from your duties towards your mother. I will never allow you. You can go to Cheltenham, start a center there, attend it, do it. You have to.
Do you want me to actually live with her?
Huh?
Do you want me to actually live with her?
Should she live with her mother?
Yes, of course. Why not? She is your own mother. She's not such a cruel woman. I don't think so. I've seen her. But you get crazy yourself. I know that. This is how you will test yourself. You should live with her. After all, she's so old now. What's her age?
64, 63.
See now. At 63, if she's left alone in that house, what will she do? You tell her that I've decided to do what you have told me about Peter.
She hasn't really told me anything about Peter.
Huh?
She hasn't really told me anything about Peter. I've been doing most of the telling.
All right, whatever it
She
is.
tried to bring
She'll be all right. You see, you try to tell her these things. She'll be all right. You tell her, just like this, and now I'm going to look after you. You are very sick. You are not well. Take care. Did you talk to her kindly sometimes?
Well, I tried.
No, you did not. You did not. That's what it is. As a Sahaja Yogi, you have to be extremely kind and compassionate towards her. She's an old woman, had no love from her husband. She has tried to do something for you, always. So as a daughter, you have a duty.
I'm very worried about Bumble because there's a sort of three-cornered arrangement which comes up.
What happens about Bumble?
Well, Bumble sort of finishes up in between me and her.
But if you finish off from yourself, she won't be finishing off like that. See, why do you create a problem between you and her, first of all? There should be no gap. If there is no gap, then there won't be any problem. The problem is because you are a problem and she is a problem, so the child suffers. But if you just have nothing, if she tells, on the contrary, if a child tells anything about your mother, you should say, don't say like that to me, she is my mother. Tomorrow she will turn back and tell you that. Take it from me.
In that way,
She is much more sensible in this than you are. You should not tell her anything about your mother. You should say, she has been very kind to me and nice to me. If it is communicated to her, if through Bumble, things will be all right. See, how long is she going to live with this kind of life she has had? All right? Where are you going to try your Sahaja Yoga? If you can't try on your own mother?
She won't have it for that.
No, that's not the way. It's not outside, it is inside.
I try and cook for her and she won't eat what I cook.
You don't have to do it outside. You have to do it inside with her. Be kind, be gentle, be of service. At the most she'll shout sometimes, doesn't matter. Forgive her. Forgive her.
She has at night. She wanders around talking to herself the whole time. She's done this pretty
You see,
successful during
it's all right. If she doesn't sleep, then you can say some mantras in your heart. You know there's a mantra of nidra and all that. You put her left to the right, she'll sleep off. You do it all that. She'll sleep. You should say that, breathe 3 times heavily, you'll sleep off. And when she's talking also, if you sleep off, she's not going to wake you up again. You just doze off there and she'll say, all right, you go and sleep now formally. It's very simple to fight out these things. I mean, she needs you very much. She can't sleep, just imagine. A mother can't sleep, how can you run away from her? Just see her condition. She's your mother.
mistakes. I mean, there's no doubt.
Then how can you leave her? You can't. Can't leave her. No, I wouldn't say that. You can't leave your mother. You know, Kathy wanted to come with me. You remember Kathy?
Yes, ma'am.
And I told her, you can't leave your mother in the hospital, come with me to India. No, you can't. She missed that thing completely. I told her to stay with your mother. She's here, just ask her. I did tell her. And she was cancer, this thing with the Surg Yoga and all that, and she used to attend to her. She stayed back. No, you can't leave your parents like that, you see. Parents are very important things after a certain age. You have to look after them. Whatever they are, you must look after your parents. That's very important in Surg Yoga. Your right heart cannot be all right. Sri Rama cannot be all right if you don't look after your mother. She's not such a bad woman. I've seen her. If she was a very cruel, horrible, this sort of thing, then I would have said, oh, forget her. She's not that way. She's not either so much. She's drinking because she has no company. She doesn't know what to do with herself. She's trying to run away from herself. It's very simple to understand. You be kind and gentle. Give her some value that she's something to you. She'll be all right.